जाने क्यों है एक साया जिधर से जहाँ
this is Glock model number 19, semi-automatic, 15 round caliber, plastic body, made in Austria. This is a very good pistol, and I would say finest. This is pistol CZ85, made in Czechoslovakia, 15 round caliber, good weapon. This is Browning Auto, 13 round caliber, 13 round magazine, 9mm, made in Belgium. .32 pistol, not good, made in Bangladesh. 7.62 mm pistol, M20, 7 round chamber, 7 round magazine, made in China. A very good pistol, and I would say the round is powerful.